everyone. Today is going to be a ThredUp unboxing. I got 25 pounds of mixed men's items. So if you want to see what I got in my box, just stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda and I go by MSAWEBB on all platforms, which will be linked down below. And I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark as well as eBay, Mercari, TradeZ, and I'm even starting to list on Depop. Kind of. So on this channel, you'll find everything dealing with reselling, from what sold videos to hauls to unboxings, as well as some tips and tricks along the way. So if all that sounds good to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you can come back and see more of my videos. So as I said before, this is a ThredUp unboxing. I ordered 25 pounds of mixed clothing items. If you don't know about ThredUp, it is an online consignment store where people can send in their clothing and get money, or you can go on there and shop for used or new tags items. There'll be a link down below as well as a referral code, so if you sign up, you'll get a discount and I'll get a discount as well, which I'll likely just use to buy these boxes because I don't normally buy clothes on ThredUp. I have bought purses for myself though. If you're a returning viewer, you should know I don't need to buy these boxes because I have plenty of inventory, but I have decided I do what I want, and this is pretty much a channel about how to be a hedonistic reseller. We're just gonna do what we want on this channel. So if you want to follow me to see a reseller who does what she wants, watch this one. Maybe I should change my name from MSAWEBB to the hedonist. Is it hedonist? Am I saying that right? Am I countrifying it? Because hedonism, hedonistic reseller, hedonistic reseller. I should probably do that. I love doing these and I think people like watching them, so that's just what so I decided to get a box. There wasn't that many available when I went on there. Pretty much just the men's, mixed clothing. I think scrap fabric was on there, as well as maybe the bulk clothing. Nothing too interesting. So I went ahead and got this box. It is supposed to be 25 pounds of men's items. I did just weigh it and it's 24 pounds. So I'm missing a pound, which is probably like only an item or two, but still. It did cost $110. With anything over, I think $70 or $75, you have free shipping. But with taxes, it ended up being $117.70. I did place this order 4 days ago and it already arrived today. This being because it shipped from Suwanee, Georgia. I live in Georgia, if you didn't know. Which is only like 4 hours away. I think the reason why I don't get very good boxes is they all come from Georgia since I live so close, and they just don't tend to be good from there. That's my thoughts. I kind of want to go back on my videos and the like 1 or 2 that I really enjoyed, see if they were from here. I'm not sure. So anyway, let's go ahead, unbox, and see what I got from ThredUp. I just like opening these things. It's just fun for me. I like surprises. So yeah, that's why I'm doing it. Oh, they used to like sign and said who like checked your box. Well, maybe no one checked it because I only got 24 pounds of items, just saying. Okay. All right. Oh, dress pants. Yeah, oh, they feel like wool though. Ugh. This is really not off to a good start. Pierre Cardin, is that how you say it? I see this on a thrift store all the time. This is pure wool. I don't want this. it is wool. I think this brand can sell a little bit because this is vintage. It is in really good condition, but I just really hate men's dress items. Oh, hey, look, it's in the back. What size is it? I don't know. Aw, come on. Have the size at least. ThredUp will reject things if they don't have this size, but they just reject all men's items because they don't sell men's items. All right, it doesn't look like this has a size, but sometimes they hide them in dress pants pockets. So potentially it does, but it doesn't look like it. I can't see it easily, so let's move on. Okay, so we have an Oakley shirt, just a striped blue shirt, like kind of a golf shirt. I'm gonna be honest, I think in my last ThredUp men's box that I got, I didn't list any of it. I just gave it away or yeah, so this is, what is it, Jose Bank or Jose Bank? Why do I do this to myself? Why do I do this, guys? Boy, I was in such high spirits until, oh, good Lord. Again, tailored fit, XXL, cotton. I don't know why I'm surprised by this, because this is the like crap I can get at my thrift stores. And that always comes from Georgia, so this is what you see. Like, I'm pretty sure these only retail for like $45, and they're usually on sale. I'm like not even wanting to open the rest of it. After the first 3 items. Okay, they could get better. But the problem is I feel like they usually just dump like a whole, like if a person sent it, like a guy sent in a ThredUp and it was all the same guy's stuff, they just throw it in a box. So I'm likely to get the same guy's stuff. Oh, hey, okay, you know, this is better. Okay, so I got a Ted Baker shirt. You know, Ted Baker. I could almost even pick this up at the thrift store, which is great. It's a size 6, which Ted Baker has its own sizing. So I'm not sure what that is, but it's a cute Ted Baker men's shirt. This is new with tags. That's nice. English Laundry. Okay. New with tags is nice. I don't think I know this brand. Let's look it up. I know Gym Tan Laundry. Or JTL. Oh, great. So they sell this on Amazon and Walmart. Sweet. Well, maybe the Ted Baker shirt will go for over $117. Oh, more dress pants. Okay, well, this is Liverpool, Los Angeles. I've gotten this woman's brand before and it does okay. Oh, it's a Stitch Fix item. Funny. Yeah, so just men's dress pants. This is Liverpool. I feel, so at least it's something pretty decent. And it's new with tags. What you? Oh, really? Sean John. I see this brand a lot in my thrift stores. I mean, this makes sense. I mean, it came from Georgia, so I'm going to see the same crap I don't pick up at the thrift store in this box, probably. I mean, this jean jacket, though, of this brand might actually do decently. So I might still list this. And also, I think it might be the vintage one because it's made in Hong Kong. And I think the label looks different now. This feels nice. It feels like cashmere. Oh, okay. Men's Store, Bloomingdale's, large, 100% cashmere. And it is just a sweater. Okay. All right. I can list this or give it to my husband. Sweet. All right. I mean, I think my expectations are pretty low at this point, so that was exciting. Oh, hey, Abercrombie & Fitch. Again, expectations low, so I'm excited. Also, new with tags. And these are a size, did I say size 31? Yeah, they're size 31. Oh, are these vintage too? No, right? Where's this made? Made. I don't know, not important, but yeah, so just some nice Abercrombie & Fitch jeans. So, all right, well, it's okay. All right, ooh, looks like some swim trunks. Bird dogs. Wait, is that what it's called? Yeah, bird dogs, swim trunks, pretty sure, or workout. Size medium, birddogs.com, boom. All right. This feels really nice. Maybe it's just workout shorts. Retail for $68. I mean, these are really nice. So, okay. I might list those. No. Hand sewn by Robert Talbot for Arnold Craven. Arnold Craven might be the one that had all this stuff. But anyway, It is just a tie, and you know, I've sold ties, but oh, it's silk. Robert Talbot. Some of these ties are listed like super high. Some are listed kind of low, but you know, all right. I mean, it kind of looks like a Christmas tie to me, but okay. Ties are really easy to list. Lord Ascot. It's like a paisley print. I don't know. I'll put comps. Who knows? Is it silk? It is made in the US, so it might be vintage. Let's see. Silk. 100% imported silk. Okay. I'll try to put comps on the screen. Maybe I shouldn't have gotten so mad. Okay, this is Under Armour, size medium. You know, I won't make a lot of money, but I can still, you know, list it. Sorry, that was getting in the way. Oh, more new to tags. It's kind of funny how you end up getting a lot of new to tag stuff when you do the men's box, because I guess men don't wear their stuff. So this only retailed for $30. It's a pair of gym shorts, size large. Like I said, it is UNK NBA brand. I mean, maybe, who knows? I might list that. Okay, so this is just Alfani, which, you know, it's not a very expensive brand. Size small, yeah, retail $55. It is, like I said, really funny that you get all these new tags items, though. Too bad I can't send it back into ThredUp. All right, new tags again. These are Lee, which I don't think retails for a lot either. Size 29, graphite camo. Ugh. All right, Banana Republic, size medium. So this is probably the same guy. Just a red Henley. All right. Under Armour again, retail for $24, size small. Okay. I mean, I was gypped out of a pound. And okay, well, this makes sense that I got this from Georgia. Vineyard Vines. Do like our Vineyard Vines around here. And just like a nice, ooh, I like his cologne. Just like a nice paisley button down. Would have been good for Easter. Another tie. This one's by Kilburn and Fitch. Fine clothing. This feels like silk. Yeah, it's silk. So another tie. Easy to list. They're usually not fast sellers for me though. Yep, Joe's Bank or Jaws. I don't even know how to say it. Slim fit. Yeah. Okay. What up? What up? I mean, some people get like Lululemon and great brands for their men's stuff. Not me. I get Under Armour, but it is new attack, so that's great. Size small. I think it's the same shirt. Is that the same shirt? Yeah. Okay, so I got two of them. You know, I said that the last time, like, oh, look, hey, I got, at least they were new at tags, but I still didn't list it. Okay, let's see. You not even have a brand? Oh, there you are. Apartment 9. Sweet. Sweet. Apartment 9, which I'm pretty sure is sold at Kohl's. Oh. All right, then we got a pair of pants, Wrangler, which they probably got at Costco or Sam's. Oh, it's got an elastic waist. And this is for when you go and, you know, have your Thanksgiving dinner. Need to get your drawers out. Yeah. So. Oh, I got a pair of shoes. Oh, I got two pair of shoes. Oh, interesting. I'll look at those in a minute. All right, another pair of Wrangler. Did we just like have the same jeans? Why do I have double ups of the same stuff? Or triple ups. Here's that Under Armour shirt again. Did a store just go out of business? Okay. Oh, Peter Millar, new tags. Okay, that's not bad. All right, size medium. Like, I mean, I might not. Well, I put it with pictures. Oh, American Medical Concepts. So it is monogrammed. Oh well, but I could still list it. Size medium. All right. All that is left is two pairs of shoes. This first is just a black tennis shoe. It's in decent condition, but it is Nike Renew. You know, I've kind of wanted to like learn more about sneakers. because I see them and I don't know which ones to pick up. So I guess we'll see. At least looks like I won't have to clean a lot of this. All right, last pair of shoes. These are Saucony. Also looks like brand new. So yeah. All right, well, I mean, there's very few items in here that I'm probably gonna list. Since a lot of the stuff is new with tags though, maybe I can save it up and give it as Christmas gifts. You know what? That'll save me money in the long run. All right, guys, so if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up so I know to make more of these. Hit that notification button if you want to see more videos from me. And let me know what you guys think. Do you guys have great luck with ThredUp? I keep saying I'm not gonna buy any more boxes, and here I did it again. I just like opening them. But at least I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.